Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to show you the FPS drop test in the Realme P4 Power device. So this is a Realme P4 Power which has got the Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset. And let me just show you exactly a quick FPS drop test and what is the default graphics settings, what you can actually expect in this device. So right now I'm going to do the FPS drop test and we'll try to see the overall FPS, 90 FPS, how much we can actually expect in terms of the drop test. And while doing this testing, I've been using with the GT mode. So if you want 144 FPS, you can still use that hyper motion, but right now I'm not using that 144 FPS. I'm just using only the 90 FPS. So in this way, we'll try to monitor exactly the real-time FPS statistics, what you can actually expect. So let's see the FPS drop test in the Realme P4 Power. With the Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset, and with the 10,000 mAh of battery capacity, even I'm trying to do the battery draining test as well videos on this device. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. But right now you can see the FPS drop test, how it is. The lowest we are seeing kind of close to 86 FPS while doing this testing. As you can see guys, this is a quick test results FPS drop test in the Realme P4 Power. And you can actually play up to 90 FPS while doing this default settings. They do have the 90 FPS support also. That's also a pretty good thing. And balanced, smooth and extreme you can play. Balanced and ultra you can play. HD and yeah. I think right now the game is going on. That's the reason I wasn't able to apply that. But overall, can get it pretty good 90 FPS without any kind of issues in this Realme P4 Power device in terms of the overall 90 FPS support test. And you can see the FPS, how it's kind of maintaining while doing this testing. And the temperatures right now, let me check how much it is. It's about close to 35.8 degrees Celsius in terms of the temperatures wise in the Realme P4 Power. The battery is about 33% right now. So let's do the FPS drop test one more time and let's find out how will be the FPS going to be there in the Realme P4 Power. So all the FPS drop test while doing this kind of testing, the lowest I've seen like 86 FPS only, 85 and 86, not bad. So right now these are the test results in terms of the FPS count at this moment. So which is pretty good overall, the FPS is maintaining in this Realme P4 Power. And there is no haptic feedback while gaming. I wish they could have included the haptic feedback, but that's not there at this moment. So it's the complete details about the FPS drop test and the default graphic settings on the Realme P4 Power. So let's see friends, what will be the FPS drop test right now, how much the FPS can actually go drop up to. And you can see the FPS, how much it's maintaining. It's about 88% right now. 88 FPS. So 88, 90 we are getting at this moment, 86. So this is what the FPS drop test in the Realme P4 Power looks like. So which is pretty good, not bad in terms of maintaining the FPS count. Even though it has got the Dimensity 7004 and Ultra processor, but still it was able to maintain pretty consistent result. And we'll try to monitor the battery level, how much the phone will be dropping as well while doing this testing. We'll try to see. So friends, this is my complete review on the FPS drop test in the Realme P4 Power while doing the drop test. And next time I'll try to do the FPS test as well while playing the game. How is the overall FPS is maintaining at this moment? I'll try to do the separate video on that topic. But meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to check the links in the description for more videos. Until then, signing off and bye.